Most isolated cities on Earth. Longyearbyen, Norway. Longyearbyen is one of the northernmost towns on Earth. It sits in the Svalbard Islands, far above mainland Norway, close to the Arctic. In winter, the town stays dark for months. In summer, the sun never sets. There are no roads connecting it to other cities. The only way in or out is by plane or ship. Because of the extreme cold and wild animals like polar bears, people must follow strict safety rules. Even though it's incredibly remote, Longyearbyen still has schools, shops, and research centers. It's a powerful example of how humans can survive in extreme conditions. Iqaluit, Canada. Iqaluit is the capital of Nunavut, a northern territory in Canada. It is located deep in the Arctic, far from major cities. There are no highways connecting Iqaluit to the rest of Canada, so travel is mostly by airplane. During the short summer season, ships bring supplies. Winters are very long and freezing cold. Daylight is limited for months. Because transportation is difficult, food and fuel are very expensive. Despite the harsh environment, Iqaluit has a strong community. An indigenous culture plays a big role in daily life. Ushuaia, Argentina. Ushuaia is often called the southernmost city in the world. It is located at the very bottom of Argentina, close to Antarctica. The city is surrounded by mountains, forests, and icy ocean waters. Travel to Ushuaia can be slow and costly. Winters are cold and windy. Because of its location, most goods must travel long distances to reach the city. Still, Ushuaia is very important. It serves as a major port and is the main gateway for trips to Antarctica. Reykjavik. Iceland Reykjavik is the capital of Iceland and one of the most isolated capital cities in the world. It sits on a volcanic island in the North Atlantic Ocean, far from mainland Europe and North America. Iceland has a small population, and most people live near Reykjavik. The country experiences long winters and limited daylight during certain seasons. Many supplies arrive by ship or plane. Even with its remote location, Reykjavik is modern and runs largely on renewable energy, showing how technology helps overcome isolation. Yakutsk, Russia. Yakutsk is one of the coldest cities on Earth. It is located in eastern Siberia, far from major Russian cities. During winter, temperatures can drop below -40 degrees Celsius. The ground stays frozen most of the year. There are very few roads connecting Yakutsk to other major areas, and travel can be difficult, especially in winter. Because of its extreme climate, buildings are specially designed to handle the frozen ground. Food and goods must travel long distances to reach the city. Even with these challenges, Yakutsk is a growing city with universities, theaters, and businesses, showing how people adapt to severe cold. Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea. Port Moresby is the capital of Papua New Guinea. It is located on the southern coast of the country, surrounded by mountains and ocean. Road connections to other regions are limited. Many areas of the country are difficult to reach by land, so transportation often depends on planes and boats. Because Papua New Guinea is made up of rugged terrain and remote villages, Port Moresby can feel cut off from the rest of the world. Still, it serves as the country's main economic and political center, connecting this isolated nation to global trade and communication. Honolulu, United States. Honolulu is the capital of Hawaii and one of the most isolated major cities in the world. It is located in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, thousands of kilometers away from the mainland United States. The closest major landmass is over 3,800 kilometers away. Because of this distance, nearly everything, from food to fuel, must arrive by ship or airplane. Even though it is remote, Honolulu is a modern and busy city powered by tourism, military presence, and international travel. Nuuk, Greenland. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland, one of the least populated regions on Earth. It is located along the southwestern coast of Greenland, surrounded by icy waters, mountains, and vast Arctic wilderness. There are no roads connecting Nuuk to other towns in Greenland. Travel is mainly by boat or airplane. Winters are long, dark, and extremely cold. Supplies must be shipped in during certain seasons. Despite its isolation, Nuuk serves as the political and cultural center of Greenland, balancing traditional Inuit heritage with modern life.